Here's the box of HoloLens 2, the one you receive, and as you can see, it's pretty classy. If you open the box, you have inside a container like this one, which look pretty similar to the HoloLens 1. And well, okay, we have to open it the right way, this one. And inside the container, you can find the HoloLens 2 device, the headset itself, which looks pretty good. I actually prefer this design compared to the HoloLens 1 headset. Is a better design and is lighter, so it's not too heavy to hold in your head, and it comes with a strip band for adjusting it on your head. And in terms of features, you have also here a USB for connecting it to your computer, and you have some cameras at the front and some buttons on the side to adjust volume and brightness of the device. Inside the box, you can also find other things. For example, a quick start guide to have more information about how to use the HoloLens 2, how to adjust the headset on your head, and similar things. In the box, you can also find a microfiber cloth to clean the lens of your device over here. And you can also find a recharger with an adapter inside that depends on your country, for example. You can change the adapter and you can plug it in. You can also find a USB-C to USB-C cable in the box, which is used for recharging the device and for connecting the device to your computer. For example, in case you want to develop some mixed reality applications with HoloLens 2. So what you find in the box is pretty similar to what you found in the box of HoloLens 1. So the headset, the recharger, and the USB-C cable. Let's take a closer look at the device. Here on one side we have some buttons for adjusting the brightness of the device. At the top we have a band for adjusting the device into your head, and at the front we have multiple cameras over here. On the other side we have some buttons for adjusting the volume. And here we have a USB-C connection and a button for turning on and off the device. At the front, we have 4 head tracking cameras for tracking your head, 1 RGB camera and 1 depth camera. The depth camera is used for understanding your environment. At the top, there are 2 speakers and 3 microphones that are used for recording and listening to environmental sounds. And at the bottom, there are 2 microphones used for recording your voice.